Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Flash on Instagram Reel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a reel on my Instagram. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select the reel since we want to create a reel, and I'm going to click on this camera. Then if you want to use the flash, actually we just need to activate this flash feature. Here I have activated my flash, and if you want to turn it up, we just need to click on it like this. And if you want to activate it, just click on the flash icon like this, and you will be able to use this flash feature for your Instagram reel. Okay, once you're done using the flash, you can turn it off like this, and you can click on next to post your Instagram reel like this. And before you post it, you can edit it, and then just click on next. And once you're ready to share your Instagram reel, just click on share. Alright guys, and that's how we can use a flash on Instagram reel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.